Ngwatanĩro ya UTONGERIA ba imwana baba ingi kuma Kwerekanîria chia university mwanya ni bachumirĩtie kenda kuthithia ngwatanĩro ya Movement for the Defense of Democracy kenda kumeneria makarika kathumba jaria jombete kwithura jagita na mbere kiri thirikari ya Rais William Ruto kirendekithia riao ria mbere ya UTONGERIA baba ni bainyirĩtie ati ugaruruku bwa makamishna bangi ba IBC nibubatere kuthithika kuri na weru na makenda gutigira kithurano kia mwaka wa 2027 ni kia uma.
Ngwatanĩro ya UTONGERIA ba imwana baingi kuma Kwerekanîria University mwanya ni beumirĩtie gwetukira ngwatanĩro njeru ya Movement for the Defense of Democracy kumeneria mekarika kathumba maria matekuthibula kubatirie kiri thirikari ya Rais William Ruto.
Sitasimama maovu yakitawala, sitasimama maovu yakitawala.
We have been brought together as a team by our belief as young people that we are on the rock upon the future of this nation.
Kiliendekithia leo ya mbele UTONGERIA baba ba imwana ni bainyirĩtie ati ugaruruku bwa makamishna bangi ba IBC no bothithikire kwina weru na makenda gutigira kithurano kia mwaka wa 2027 ni giakina uma.
We believe in democracy. We believe in the rule of law. We believe in free, fair, credible and underlying verifiable election results. Because if you check the 2022 results, the then chairperson is telling us that we cannot verify now because he had no money to sustain those results in a server. Support the need for a consultative and bipartisan process to reconstitute the disgraced IEBC. This election body could easily take Kenya into war in 2027 or render useless the need of elections in this country. We want to stop these eventualities.
Bwajiri ne bamenerite guselelwa na kurega kulewa kwa mbesa jia gutetheria Ruto kuthoma kire university ta Joel Blon na kuga kethura mutindo jukathi na mbele baomba kuli Ruto bonde kuambilia mugomo.
Life is horrible in campuses. Help loans delay. They take long to come. And when they come, they are also not enough. We are in this to demand decent standards of living in those universities and colleges, the kind that majority of us who are student leaders then enjoyed.
And we are very angry, and we are telling the president of this country, Mr. William Ruto, to ensure the more than 140,000 students who have not gotten help, they should be able to receive help next week. Comrades, power.
Power. We are telling Ruto and the Cabinet Secretary of Treasury, the CEO help, to release the help with immediate effect, or else from Monday next week we'll cause a mother of all havoc. We'll call a mother of all strike in the entire country so that we arise and fight for what is ours.
Na bwaka thatu ne bameletia limbomo ya motolele na kumeneria thirikari ya Rais William Ruto nontu bwako thina mbele na kuongela ugoti.
Most importantly, we support calls for intervention by the state to arrest the soaring cost of living and bring to an end the ever-growing list of taxes levied on Kenyans. We are in this to demand a responsible leadership that understands the feeling and suffering of our people.
Kagita kane bamenerite tagalia thirikari lya kunyia igwekaria ba rais wa ukabere Uhuru Kenyatta.
Ruto's mission on revenge is a first in this country. It is bad for this country and we must stop him. We must stop him.
Viva vijana, viva!
Kulingana na ngwatanĩro ya Movement for the Defense of Democracy kethira Rais William Ruto atibadhikiria na kuingia bola kwenda bakambilia maandamano makwinyelia ebobisini.
People are telling us that the elections are over and we shall move on. We are not moving on until justice is done to the person who won that election.
Kuma mji munene wa Nairobi, Mbeta Anthony, Rangi wa Kathenya.